Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Novita Azhara Ramadina dengan akhiran NIM 137, jurusan S1 Pendidikan IPA, Fakultas Matematika dan IPA. Pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan menjelaskan mengenai LKPD Minds On yang telah saya buat dengan dosen pembimbing Bapak Aris Ruti Purnomo dan juga Bapak Beni Setiawan. The material in this LKPD is identifying the characteristic of substance and their change. For Public Junior High School, Grade 8, Semester 1. The basic competency is students are able to understand the concept of the properties of substance and identify the properties and characteristics of solids, liquids, and gases, and are able to identify change in the state of matter that occur in everyday life. The learning objective is first, the students are able to explain the definition of substance. The students are able to explain the states of particle in solid, liquid, and gas. Third, the students are able to explain the process of phase change on a particle scale, and the students are able to identify phase change of matter in everyday life. Selanjutnya ada learning flow. Yang pertama yaitu introduction to material about substance and their characteristic in general. Lalu understanding the material, introduction to material about substance further equipped by reference video. Lalu ada assignment, checking student understanding with several questions that must be worked on, and study case, analyzing problem in life around us regarding substance and their change, and conclude about the material of substance and their change. Okay, introduction to the general material of substance is provided as well as a video link as a reference to understand the material further. Then questions are provided to check student understanding after reading and watching the video. Understanding the material. After learning about the properties of substance and their characteristic, further introduction to material is provided regarding change in the state of matter between solids, liquid, and gases. Selanjutnya ada assignment. Di sini ada dua, yaitu characteristic of substance and change of states of substance. Yang pertama yaitu characteristic of substance. Students are instructed to fill in the table according to the characteristic of solids, liquids, and gases. Lalu yang kedua ada change of states of substance. Students are instructed to identify what change in states occur between solids, liquids, and gases. Selanjutnya yaitu study case. Students are instructed to read, understand, and analyze the phenomena that occur in the case study provided regarding ice cream melting due to a power outage, and given several questions to check understanding and train students to think critically. Selanjutnya pengambilan kesimpulan atau conclusion. Students can conclude the material that has been studied regarding the properties of substance, characteristic of substance, and change in the state of substance.